Have legacy database files from Quattro Pro-DOS era requiring data extraction? This was a popular spreadsheet alternative to Lotus 123 in the 90s. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these Quattro Pro-DOS database files. This is a pro tip. To prevent future issues with obscure 1.9i formats, install a quality universal file viewer. We'll revisit my number one choice near the end of this guide. This file is associated with Oracle Database 19c, a leading enterprise-grade relational database management system. Users typically encounter 19i files when managing database instances, performing backups, or troubleshooting performance issues. The primary user intent is to access, restore, or analyze the data contained within the database environment. The 19i file is a proprietary binary format designed by Oracle for high-performance data storage and retrieval. Its structure is optimized for transactional integrity, concurrency control, and rapid querying. This binary design minimizes storage overhead and parsing time, which is critical for large-scale enterprise applications requiring robust data management. Quattro Pro for DOS, developed by Borland, is often used as the source validator for 1.9i. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows cannot render tables or queries, so full inspection relies on proper DB software. Your key starting action: right-click the 1.9i file and select Open With. If Quattro Pro for DOS is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the 1.9i file opens successfully. If your 1.9i file is not opening yet, that is normal. Since that didn't work, we need a targeted approach. Follow me through these 3 critical actions that will help us isolate the cause. First, opening in modern Quattro Pro. Install Corel WordPerfect Office, which includes modern Quattro Pro version. Launch Quattro Pro and use file, then open to load 19i files. Modern Quattro Pro maintains backward compatibility with DOS-era files, providing access to legacy data while offering contemporary spreadsheet and database features for continued use of historical files. Next, converting to modern formats. Use Quattro Pro export functions to convert 19i files to standard formats like Excel, XLSX, CSV, or modern database formats. These exports preserve data while providing compatibility with current spreadsheet and database applications. Choose appropriate export format based on intended use, with CSV for data exchange and XLSX for modern Excel functionality. Finally, legacy DOS recovery. For 19i files that cannot be opened in modern applications, use DOS emulation through DOSBox to run original Quattro Pro DOS. This approach provides access to files in their native environment, where they can be exported to formats compatible with modern systems. DOSBox enables historical software preservation for legacy data recovery scenarios. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.